The end of the pandemic is in sight. Vaccines have been discovered and they are being rolled out across the country. It's now down to healthcare providers to guide patients through the vaccination process so herd immunity can be achieved as quickly as possible. Here are 8 proven steps to inform and empower patients. 1. Reassure patients about vaccine safety. Misinformation is everywhere. Providers need to reassure patients that the vaccine is safe and provide information about the vaccine's efficacy and importance. 2. Educate patients about eligibility. Eligible patients may miss out on their vaccination because they don't have the right facts. Providers must share educational resources and safety statistics and tell patients what to expect. 3. Update appointment confirmations and send reminders. Patients need guidance. Providers must update appointment confirmations to include vaccine-related instructions, information about COVID symptoms, and safety protocols. 4. Follow up after each dose. Most vaccines require 2 doses. Providers should contact patients to check if they have had any reactions and to remind them that a second dose is required. 5. Schedule the second dose quickly. To ensure that patients return for their second dose of the vaccine, providers should schedule the second appointment immediately after the first. 6. Follow up with no-shows or refusals. If a patient fails to show up for a vaccination or refuses to receive one, providers should find out why. Provide reassurance and offer to reschedule. 7. Monitor patient responses and gather information. It's critical to monitor patient responses to vaccination messages to identify at-risk segments. Providers can use this information to supplement the data they are required to share with the FDA, pharmaceutical companies, and public health agencies. 8. Create a daily waiting list for extra vaccine doses. Providers need a plan to address patient no-shows. Healthcare workers can leverage bidirectional communication to fill empty slots so that precious vaccine doesn't go to waste. Better conversations with your patients leads to better health. With a thoughtful communication strategy, providers can improve patient response to critical vaccination programs. Get the full ebook at wellapp.com.